So we about to do a flip trade. But we already picked some of these ones. I got a banana squishy with foam in it. And I got this magnet and a pocket.
Wait, where are those stuff?
Alright, go show them your stuff. No, show them your stuff there. Show them stuff for
I
Johnny.
got this.
So what that is, a squishy.
A squishy.
And what else you got?
I got something in it. I got this.
Magnet.
I make it call her. And I pop it.
What kind of pocket it is?
Oh,
A both pocket.
I both pop it.
Alright, now we gotta pick up Monkey Noodle. I'm gonna get the pick one.
Oh yeah, this
Okay, Jesus. Now you have to pick a Fidget. No, a wacky track.
I want this one.
Yeah, a wacky track is like this. I'm gonna get this one. It's another one. You got this from. You got this for it.
It's a fish, though.
It's not a wacky track. It's a wacky track.
This is squishy, though.
Oh, here go wacky track. Now you gotta find now you gotta find a squishy. Alright, I got a squishy. I got a ball squishy. I got a soccer squishy. What kind of squishy you have?
I got football.
Show them to them.
Football.
Alright, next we gotta pick another monkey noodle with like this. So I'm gonna pick the pink one.
I'll pick the blue one.
No, they're like a monkey noodle like this. A monkey noodle got these on it. So I got to
I'll
pick one.
see it.
It's right here. Alright, y'all. I got a unicorn one. He got a green unicorn one. And it's so pretty. Ooh, so awesome. Now you gotta